Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, thank you so much for being here. You do not know how much I appreciate you guys for that. This is like something completely different, something out of my comfort zone, just because it's like very pigmented colors. To be honest, I love neon colors. I love bright colors a lot. I'm just not used to seeing them on my face. I'm used to seeing it like on other people's faces. But honestly, creating this look was fun. It was actually pretty easy to get done, and I try to make the steps as simple as possible for you guys. So let's just go ahead and quickly jump into this tutorial. Hey guys, okay, so today, per usual, we're starting off like this. We went ahead and we used our Anastasia pomade to go ahead and fill in our brows. To carve out our brows, we went ahead and we used our Crown C509, which is this one right here. We're gonna go ahead and be using this concealer right here, which is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. And in this one, I purchased the number 20 and the color Sand. We're gonna go ahead and use our cute little mini beauty blender from the JUNO&CO company. We are gonna be using a look that was sent to me on Instagram. The palettes that we are using today is the James Charles one and the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. The colors that I'm gonna be using off of the Take Me Back to Brazil palette are gonna be pretty much just like these two blues right here. From the James Charles palette, we're gonna be using that blue right there. And maybe that one. And we're gonna go ahead and go in with the color Playground first. And we're gonna apply that right here to our crease. So we're gonna go ahead and pack on yellow, and I'm doing that with this small brush, and it's the Morphe M515. The yellow that I'm using is from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. We're gonna go ahead and use this yellow and that yellow up there. You guys want to know something I don't like? I don't like when my brushes get like this, when they like go like that. Do you guys know a trick or anything that I can do so that my brushes won't get all like, because when they're like that, I don't like them as much to use for blending, because I feel like they go and like more, like they end up blending more than what you want to blend. Does that make sense? But we're gonna go ahead and just use this one. Blend in circular motion. That's like your best bet. I definitely need to go buy more blending brushes, because I do not like when the bristles get all like pinches escobas. So we're gonna go in with some more yellow. I'm gonna blend it out and I'll be right back. Okay, and then just to like the edge over here, we went ahead and added that blue called Brother, and it's this one right here from the James Charles palette. And we're just like packing some on right here and kind of going like right here to like the crease line, so the blue could kind of like show whenever we cut our crease. Now I'm gonna grab a different blending brush, because that one, honestly, I don't like how it is so separated. I think it's time for me to go purchase some new ones. Okay, so let's just grab this other pinche escoba looking brush, and let's just lightly blend in that blue. Oh, and then just to let you guys know, for the two blues that we're using, it's one brush, okay? We're not gonna be switching up to so many brushes. So we are using the same blending brush to pack on some color, and this is the Morphe M507. Now let's go ahead and move on to cutting our crease. To cut our crease, we are gonna be using a wide concealer. We are gonna be using this brush that I got from Michaels, and this is the number 10 Royal and Langnickel brush. So this is what I do. I grab this thingy like this, and then this is my brush, and I just pretty much apply it on there. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my neon green pigment from Makeup a Murder, and we're gonna start applying it. And I didn't set my concealer just because I do want the product to like be very pigmented on there. We're gonna go in with this little brush right here, and this is a Morphe M421. Oh, you guys, look at this. This color is my fucking life. And I'm literally grabbing the product that's on the cork. That's how much of it pays to waste her product. I'd rather use this up first. So now you guys see that blue that we have right there? We're gonna go ahead and wet our brush a little bit with our rose water. We're gonna go back into that color Brother. I want to mix Brother and Playground, and then just start blending it in that way. Now I'm grabbing a little bit of Playground. I think we're gonna go ahead and leave this like this. Let's go ahead and blend that out now. That is it for blending on this eye. Just so that we can make the look pop a little bit more, we're gonna go ahead and add a pink liner. And I know I didn't even mention it, my bad. Okay, so today we are using new products, well, a couple of new products. For primer, we did went ahead and we used our ColourPop matte primer, and this is actually my first time trying this primer from them. So let's see how my makeup looks at the end of the day. We're also going to be trying a new setting spray. It's also from ColourPop, so let's see how well these work. And it's also mattifying, so I love that. For the liners, I received the color Boots, Try Me, and Make Love, which is, one is like a red color and then this one is like a yellow one. But we're gonna go ahead and do pink eyeliner and bring this look together. And then this is the pink that we're gonna be adding to the eye. This is what it looks like. I've never used the ColourPop eyeliners, so that's why I'm trying to use them, because every freaking colorful liner that I've purchased so far, they crack. And I hate that. I really do hate when the colorful liners crack, because they don't last you as long for you to be able to use them that much. So let's go ahead and try to see how these are. So to apply my liner, I'm going to go ahead and try using this Morphe M160-116, which is this one right here. It's like an angled brush. I don't really use gel liners. I always use the ones that come with the like pencil included already, like it's a little utensil that it has. So let's see if I can apply it with this. Because if I can't, I'm going to be so fucking mad. Like if I fuck this up. So this is what we have so far. We're gonna go ahead and pack on some more pink liner, and then we're gonna add our lash. And ta-da! And I did apply a bit of highlight to my brow bone just so I can see like how the look was looking. For the highlight, I did went ahead and I mixed the shimmer ring light in on here with our Daisy Danger highlighter palette. I'm not a big fan of this Daisy Danger highlighter palette. I don't feel that the colors are like, they don't pop that much. I don't know, I've just always had a love-hate relationship ever since I got this palette. For some reason, like the colors se miran medios, like, how do I say that? Like medios opacos or like pardos, if that makes sense. Like they look, it gives you highlight but not that smooth looking highlight, if that even makes any sense. I'm trying to use it because it's just sitting there, and if not, I'm just gonna go ahead and give it to my niece. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and move on to this one now. I just don't know if I should like do it on camera with you guys, or if I should just like hurry the hell up and get through the eye so you guys can see the final look. What should I do? What should I do? Okay, you guys, so this is our finished eye look. And then, oh, I know I didn't even mention this, but for our glue, we are using something new. On the little paper I got, like when I bought it, it says it's like great for use when you wear contacts. So I said, bitch, I need to buy this shit because sometimes the glue gets in my eye and it fucking burns. So I don't want to be going through that. So that's why we're using this glue right here. It's from Kiss, and I believe it was like $6.49. In case you wear contacts, you want to go ahead and try a glue that is safe on contacts as well. For primer, we already have some on. The one that we're wearing is this one right here, and it's also from ColourPop. So yeah, that's the primer that we are wearing on our face today. Now let's go ahead and apply our foundation. For foundation, we are going to be using two of them. I'm gonna be mixing my L'Oreal True Match foundation, which is this one, and we're gonna mix in the Clinique one. So I'm first gonna apply Clinique, and then I'm gonna blend some of this one in there. And of course, we're gonna be using our favorite, the only ones we now use, JUNO&CO beauty sponges. I'm gonna apply some to my face. Oh, I hate when fucking foundation gets on white clothes. So I'm using the same like little spoolie that comes inside the foundation, the Clinique foundation, to apply this one. Look at that, it's fucking dripping. And the reason that I mix both of these together is because the L'Oreal one, I purchased it a while back already, but I got it too dark. It makes me look fucking orange in the light. So I won't just throw it away or get rid of it. I mix it in with like a lighter foundation and I use it like that. On my brow area, I normally would use like a brush, but you know what? The sponge does the trick as well. And then, yes, let's bring it down all the way to our neck. To conceal, we're gonna be using our Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. Flash away, better hold them down. I've been having that freaking song from Young Thug stuck in my head. Feel it? If you guys haven't heard it, y'all need to go listen to it. Matter of fact, play it right now while you guys are watching my video. Let's fucking turn up those motherfucking radios. Okay, I am gonna go ahead and damp my beauty blender a little bit. And we're gonna use the opposite side of the foundation side to blend out the concealer. Okay guys, so I went ahead and quickly contoured and cut my contour off camera because I always say this as well, it's just the basic steps that I do. But we went ahead and cut our contour with the Bahama Mama bronzer from The Balm. Since most of the products that we are using are from ColourPop, I just went ahead and as well use the ColourPop setting powder. I'm gonna go ahead and let it sit on there for a bit, which actually it kind of has already. I don't want to look ghosty. I believe we're gonna go ahead and take it off now. To dust off the remaining product, I'm gonna be using this Morphe M529 brush. I was gonna contour on camera real quick with you guys, but since it's already like gonna be 2, this is the time that I have to go get Melody from school. I'm gonna leave this as is. Okay, so I went ahead and I applied some blue and yellow to my under eye. Now we're gonna go ahead and go in with blush and highlight. For blush, we are gonna be using the NYX Ombre blush, and it's this one right here, and it looks something like this. And I'm using my same Real Techniques blush brush. Let's go ahead and go into our highlight, and I am gonna go ahead and damp the brush a bit. We're gonna go ahead and go into Opal from Becca. I like to damp my brush when applying highlighter because it's like way more pigmented. Go into our tímpanos. That's what they're called, right? Our tímpanos. Now with our dedito. Now let's go ahead and go in with our setting spray. It has kind of like a herbal scent to it, but it's not that bad. We're gonna go ahead and apply some liner to our lower lash line, some mascara, and some lipstick. Okay you guys, so this is the finished look. I'm like obsessed with this color combo. Like, I love it. I really do. It looks so cute. I went ahead and I added the Kylie JUNO&CO, and it's this one right here. The lip gloss that I went ahead and added on top of this lip color was Neat Freak from ColourPop. That is like literally my favorite lip gloss from them. Like, this is the finished look. I do hope you guys enjoyed watching me create this look, because I sure did enjoy creating this eye look for you guys. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. I do try to post at least once or twice out of the week. That's technically the plan, to like start posting maybe at least 2 times out of the week. Let me know what kind of looks you guys would like to see next. If there is any look you guys would like for me to recreate on my channel, just go ahead and send me a picture of the look, and I will promise to get back to you guys, or at least try to create the look and post it up here for you guys. Okay, other than that, that's it for this video. I'll go ahead and I'll see you guys in my next video.